Okay. Clamp. Yeah. Clamp. You're a tiger and you want to rip my arms off. Clamp. Yep, there we go. Now you've got that. Open the space while clamping. Yeah, okay. Open the space and relax with your mind. Pull me where you want. Pull my mind there and then move your body. Mind first, energy, and then, yeah. And again, put it through the clamp. So when I hold you and I'm running energy, still got the hold, but my mind is forcing a conductive line.
Why are you using force to clamp?
Just easy.
Okay.
So that physical stress doesn't interrupt the thing?
No, you do the energy with your mind. So with my mind, I'm doing that. With my body, I'm doing that.
Okay.
And I put them together.
Can I feel?
Oh.
So clamp and then project the gym. Comes from tiger claw, this one.
That looks like Tonglong.
Tonglong would use more the eagle and more the tiger, yeah.